Okay, so in this video we're going to learn how we can provide liquidity on Solana and also look how we can earn over 260% APR right here on USDC and SOL. Isn't this crazy? 260% APR. Yield farming, your money are liquid, you can take them out anytime you want. All right, so I'm going to do step-by-step videos. So for if you are new, if you want to learn, this is exactly the perfect video for you. If you're not new and if you want to learn again, maybe you're missing some few things from your puzzle, maybe again this is the video for you. So make sure you leave me a comment down in the description for whatever next video you want me to show you, so I can teach you, so I can do step by step how you can provide liquidity any pool. Let's say Phil, I want to do on Osmosis or maybe Sui, or I did yesterday for Arbitrum, so maybe you do on, I don't know, Uniswap or something else. Doesn't matter, whatever you want, let me know down in the description and I will do that for you. Again, let's go to the video. Now, before we go on, make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. That means do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto, and you can lose everything. I got lost there a little bit. So again, not financial advisor, do whatever you want, your money, your issue. I'm not giving you any financial advice. So let's go back. So Solana has been exploding for the last few months time. We all know that, and we all want to learn some money on Solana network. So how we can provide liquidity so it's not so bad. Now, there are many pools on Solana, and first what you need to do is you need to have some wallet. So the most famous wallet is called Phantom Wallet. So make sure you already have, you install, you add, make sure you have your code unlocked. Make sure you use some ledger or any kind of hardware wallet. The link is down in the description. If you need any, you'll get the best discount. And also make sure you have some money. How you can send some money? Well, you can send from your centralized exchange. You can send back to your wallet directly Solana. Solana is the main token for the gas fees, and the gas fees are extremely cheap. Now, if you see right now, the Solana network has been blowing up, especially with the meme tokens. Again, there are two DEXs, decentralized exchange, what I'm using. One is called Orca, which is very hot, but in today's video has been very sluggy, so I don't use Orca. But the next one I'm using, that's why I guess Radium has been exploding lately in the last couple of days, because Solana, they come with the V2 version, and that's why it's very slow, and it's called Radium. Radium is also, they just come with the V3 version, and it's very hot looking update DEX. Okay, so that's what we like. Again, make sure you understand all of it. So let's go and check some liquidity pools. You can see right here when you go to constant liquidity, when you open the Radium network, you can go and do some swaps right here, looking very nice, and also render and SOL, we're going to check that up too. So let's go in here, you will see Solana and USDC, liquidity 1.6 million, vault trading volume 76 million, fees are 7.6 thousand, and APR, this is projected APR of 180% APR. When you see this crazy APR, 900, 1,000, 2,000, 8,000 APR percent, make sure you understand this is extremely risky, because there are some kind of meme tokens, because if they're not good established meme tokens, they can go up and extremely they can go down. So make sure you don't go there, okay? Just don't go there, simple as that. This is one of my favorite, MEW and SOL, and here you will see there's already fees 5,000 bucks already earned, and 1,000 bucks is liquidity provided, and 500,000 is the volume. But let's go today and let's just let's check the main blue chip tokens, and that will be Solana and USDC. You go here to deposit, and let's say you go here to the minus. You say, okay, you know what, the price has been fluctuating between 140 160, and that's your range you want to add. So if you go right here with a very narrow range, around 3% up, 3% down, and you hit here, you put 1% one SOL, you will see down here is going to give you projected APR, what's around 300% APR. But we want to be more realistic. For me, the price is fluctuating between 155 up to maybe 185 or 195, and that's pretty much good range. And if you put that range, and if you put some money here, you will see you will earn around 136% APR. What is more realistic and more normal range, around 18% up and down range, what is not bad at all. It's not too narrow. Narrow range is around 5-10% up and down, and moderate range, this is the moderate, around 20%, and wide range around 40, 50, 60%, and extremely wide is around over 100%. But we don't do that. So here with this one, the blue, we do that with the meme tokens. Okay, so be careful there. But right here, this is nice range. So you know, you can play around here. Even if you go to 160, if you think the price will don't drop down below 5%, you can earn 170% projected APR. So the APR can fluctuate, we can go up and down. It depends of the trading volume. So let's go back and let's check now the render and sol. Render and sol, if you go and check the chart right here, make sure you swap right here. It's been fluctuating. Let's go and swap right here. Sol and render is fluctuating between in the last 4 hours chart. This is good because everything was on radium and you can swap right here. It's fluctuating what 15th of May, 16th of May. So for the last 2 weeks has been around from right here between 16, I will say, low 16 and up around 17.5, I will say 17.8. Okay, so that's up and down, so that's very tight range, but that's how it's been trading for the last 3 weeks time. I mean, if you go right here, if you go to Defi Lama, if you go to the left side, correlation, what is very, very important. If you want two blue chip tokens, they need to be correlated. If you go for 1 year, sol and render is over 9.6, 0.96, and like 9.9 is the top. So everything was above 0.5 is very, very good. In 1 month is 0.45, what is still very, very good, and in 7 days is 0.72. So what's mean for me, these are very good correlated pairs and blue chip tokens for me, again, my personal opinion. And I want to provide liquidity. So you go to the liquidity, you find the pair, you can just go right here and you will see them. The sol and render, it's somewhere here, but I know the more liquidity is provided on Orca, but however, you know, let's go and check here. What's still not bad, the trading volume is only 400,000 bucks, what's not bad. And if you go here, go to deposit and you set up the range, we say here is low 16 and up we say around 17.8, so that's around 3.6, but let's be more pessimistic and let's put maybe 8.3. So that's like 6 and 6. That's a little bit narrow range. And if you put one sol, we're going to earn around 140% right here. You will see this down right here when I'm going 144% projected APR. Again, this can go up and can go down, but that is very good APR, almost 0.5% per day on your render and sol, and they are extremely correlated pairs. Again, that's about it from me. If you want to learn more, the best course, it's called a UIG group. Go and join for free. By the way, I spoke with Lucas just a couple of days ago, and he offered whoever want to join the VIP group using my link, he give you 50 bucks. That's mean 50% off the second month or the first month. I don't know. Go and check that over there. You get 50 bucks back the second month, and well done to him. Now go and join the free group. It's absolutely amazing. The most growing group in the DeFi space, and to learn yield farming, especially step by step. Again, if you have any question, hit me in my Telegram and go and follow my social, and also leave me the comment and let me know what do you think, which pair is one of your favorite. Again, thank you so much, God bless, and I should see you in the next one. Goodbye.